Welcome to Rockstar Vegan Recipes. I'm Brooke, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious vegan macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese is a dish that a lot of people feel that they will miss when becoming vegan. However, this is a recipe that is creamy and delicious and will give them the cheesy flavor without the dairy. I think you guys are all going to love this macaroni and cheese. It's so easy, so delicious, only a few ingredients and really creamy. The first thing that I'm going to do is put into a blender 2 cups of vegan milk. This is cashew milk. You can use any type of vegan milk. However, I prefer cashew milk or soy milk because they're creamier. But whatever vegan milk you choose, make sure that they are plain and unsweetened. The next thing that I'm going to add is 1 cup of firm tofu. Whoops, a little bit of splatters. 1/4 cup of raw soaked cashews. 1/4 cup of Mellow Miso. 1 1/3 cup of nutritional yeast, which will give the cheese sauce a really nice cheesy flavor.
Okay. You want me to stop? Hang on, I'll just...
1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika. You can always use plain paprika as well, but the smoked gives it a particularly nice flavor. And finally, 1/2 cup of canola oil. And that's it for the ingredients. Now I'm just going to go put it on the blender and blend it up. For the pasta, I'm using riccioli noodles instead of the traditional macaroni noodles. That's 500 grams of noodles, which is about a pound. We'll cook the noodles for 8 to 9 minutes until they are al dente. Okay, so the pasta has finished cooking. I'm just going to, drain it. But I'm not going to rinse the noodles because the little bit of starch that is left on the noodles will help the sauce stick. Now they're all drained and going right back into the pot. All right, so the pasta is all cooked and in goes the cheese sauce. This cheese sauce has nutritional yeast that gives it a cheesy flavor. It also has the miso paste, which adds a nice bold taste. Miso paste is fermented soybeans. It gives a nice strong flavor and it's quite high in probiotics. Okay, just gonna stir it all up. Then once it's stirred, I'm just going to let it sit for a couple of minutes until the sauce thickens up. Okay, so the macaroni and cheese is ready. And I just have a plate of steamed kale. I'm going to be putting it on top of the steamed kale. This cheese sauce isn't only good on pasta, it's also really good on steamed vegetables and also baked potatoes. You can add salt and pepper as needed. And for mine, I'm just going to top it off with a little bit of the smoked paprika on top. This is really good. It's rock star quality. Thank you so much for watching. As always, the recipe is in the description below. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and ring the little bell Click on
Why
the
should
bell.
they ring the bell, Brooke? What does the bell do?
To be notified for weekly upcoming recipes.